Welcome friends, welcome to this Python course. And now we are going to see about the strings in Python. So what is a string? For example, if you get an input, so the input which we are giving like set of characters, like a sequence of characters. For example, if I type the input function here and if I run this code and I'm getting some input, isn't it? So in this input, if I type like my name, Praveen Kumar. So sorry, if you type my name Praveen Kumar and is Praveen Kumar is a set of characters like a P or A V E N, so each characters are formed to a string. Okay, like that the string is formed. So in this video we're going to see about what is a string and what is a string slicing. So we're getting a string, isn't it? So okay, so the string is stored in the A. So now if I want to access the each value of A, what I can do? So for I, like we just put a for loop, range of length of A. So this is the function which is used to find the string length. Okay, for example, if you have a string and that length, if we want to find the length of a string, we can use the length of A function. And if we put this in within the range, and it will iterate the loop until the string letter ends. Okay, so under colon print of A of I. Okay, so if I run this code, it will print the each value. For example, Praveen, if I type Praveen Kumar and it will iterate each value of Praveen Kumar. So how this will happen? For example, if I want to print, okay, print of A of 1. If I put A of 1 and it will print A. Okay, so for example, if I go to Abipravi, it will print B. Okay, so in that, if I put 0, so the each array will start with 0, and again I am putting as Abipravi and it will print A. So you can able to understand by here the array starts with 0. Okay, for example, instead of A, I put like example, sorry, if I put Abipravi, okay, here A is 1 and sorry, the array starts is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, you can able to see for A it will be as, wait a second. Okay, now you can able to see, and here, okay, right. So the A will be in the 0 index and B will be in the 1 index and I will be in the 2 index, P will be in the 3 index, R will be in the 4 index, A will be in the 5 index, V will be in the 6 index, and I will be in the 7th index. So like this the array will be executed. Okay, now let us see about the negative index of an array. For example, if I get the last value of this array, so what I will put the 7. Okay, if I print A of 7. So and if I type, okay, it will print I. Okay, so what if I didn't know the index values? Okay, so I didn't know this index values and there are trillions of values, but I need only the last value index. So here at that time we have a negative index, negative of 1. Okay, so in the negative means it will start from the right hand side. So in the right hand side the first value is here. In the right hand side the array starts with 1. Okay, so if I run this code, you can able to see that the I is the same value is printed. So you can able to see that. So in the negative index, the array will be start from 1, and in the positive index, the array will be start from 0. Okay, okay, right. So what if I need the string to be reversed? Okay, for example, I need to put for I in range of length of a. So I put this code. Sorry, if I put this code, okay, and here I need to print the a of negative index values, a of minus 1 and comma end is equal to 1. So I already told that the a of minus 1 will not be accepted and the a of 1 will be accepted. Okay, so the sorry, a of I, so in the each iteration the value will be changed. So but here there is one negative one. So the array, I have already told that when we start the array from the right hand side, it will be in the minus 1. But in this case, the array will be starts from 0. So what we will do? So for that case, we have one idea, which is a 1 comma length of a. If I type this code, you can able to see the code is reversed. So but the a is not showing. Why? So the length of a will be not be initialized. So for that we just plus 1. Okay. And now you can able to see that a b I p or a b I. So it's not reversed. The things are just reversed as it is. So that's why we're putting this in the loop. Okay, for if you want to print that array in the positive direction, so this will be not necessary. Okay, so these things will be not necessary. We just run the code and you can make it. So in the negative index, the array will be starts from 1 and the negative index of minus 1, and it ends with the one number higher than the n value. This is the key algorithm. Okay, a second. Okay, so there is some error in it. Let us find out the errors. So what is the error just we committed here? Okay, okay. Now you can able to see that there is some error which have been caused. Find what is the error. String index out of range. Yeah, sorry. So we just have removed the negative value. Sorry. Okay, now you can able to see that this reversing. So we have committed a mistake, which is the we need reversing for we just put a minus of I. Now if I run this code, you can able to see this. Okay, so this is the strings and string slicing. What about the string slicings? So string slicing will be in the next module. So don't miss this next module. And if you like this module, please like. And if you have any doubts or any reviews, please comment in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel.